That's good, YouTube. Okay, so welcome back to our second F period video tutorial. So, we learned about negatives, didn't we?
Yes!
So, Dorito Man. So, Dorito Man is used for what?
Multiplication and division.
Very good. Multiplication and division. Alright, he's always there for you. He doesn't let you down. See right there, he's, I think that's taco flavor. Kind of an orange color. Cheeto, that's Cheetos flavor. Ew. There's taco flavor Dorito. They're really good.
They don't sound
There are those too. Alright. Now what do we use for adding and subtracting? Good guys and bad guys. Or you can call it the scoreboard method. Short. We didn't spend all that much time on absolute value, so I want to start with that. How does absolute value work? Anybody? Yes?
It's the value of the number.
Yes, always positive. So if it starts out as a positive number, it ends up positive. And if it starts out negative, it ends up positive. It always ends up positive. So sometimes it changes and sometimes it doesn't. So in this case, young lady, we have absolute value of 6. What does that turn into?
6.
That stays 6. All right, absolute value of 12 stays 12. And now we know how to do it. We would use our good guys and bad guys, right? Good guys score 6. Bad guys score 12. Bad guys score 40. Who won? Very bad winning. Okay, and when they won by how many points? We subtract, we get negative 46. That's right. Seeing if you're paying attention. Negative 46. Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at all that highlighting.
That's a lot of highlighting.
That's
Okay.
a lot of candy.
Okay. Positive divided by a negative. Who wants to come down and do that one? Great chance to get points. Okay, do you have a code name? Spicy avocado, coming all the way from the jungles of Avocadoville. All right. So the mic's over there. So 145 divided by negative 5. How do we do it?
So you use Dorito Man.
Yes, ma'am. How do I do that?
So it's a positive times a negative, so it would be negative.
Right. So we cross these out or cover them up with our finger, and we get negative what? 29. Very good. Excellent. Oh, I thought you were going to do another one. See, Dorito Man got sad when you walked away. Oh, there we go. Now Dorito Man ate a lemon. All right. All right. Negative 30 times positive 3.
So positive times negative, so it's negative.
Because we cover up with our finger and we get negative. Thank you. What's the answer? Do you know?
Negative 90.
Negative 90. Let's give her a hand. She's giving her a hand. Yes. All right. Who wants to do number 3 for points? Points. Come on down. Do you have a code name? Okay. No code name for her. All right. So, anonymous. Anonymous. All right. Okay, how do we do this problem, please?
Well, you change negative 14 to a positive.
Why? That's correct. Why? Because what?
Because it's in parentheses.
No.
Oh, no, because there's a... yeah.
Because it's a...
Because it's a double.
Double sign. Yes, it is. Excellent. So 32 plus 14. Oh, that's easy. 46. Easy. You can do the next one, too. That was so easy. Okay, what does absolute value negative 25 become?
25.
Right, it turns positive because they always turn positive. Okay, and what do you get? Good job. Let's give her a hand. Anonymous. Anonymous. Okay, so do you have a code name, sir? What? Rice. Okay, Rice, come on down. All the way from the rice fields of Riceville. Okay, where they go rice. What was it like growing up in a rice field? You have lots of siblings. Excellent. All right. How do we do this?
What you do would be divide So you would use Dorito Man, and then
How do you use Dorito?
You would use Dorito Man, but since there's two negatives, we would cover up both the negatives.
Mhm.
So then when we divided 55 by 11, we would get a positive, which would be 5.
Very good. Wait. You got to do another one. That's too easy. All right, try this other one, please, sir, Mr. Rice.
Oh God.
What do you say?
Um,
What do you see in here?
I see 2 negatives. Oh, what we do would be, good guys. Wait. Oh yeah, good guys for good guys bad guys.
Well, you want to hold on. Okay, what's first, buddy?
Okay, we would do since there's a double sign plus and the plus and the minus.
Right.
We would since Dorito Man, it would turn into positive. Negative 10.
Right. A negative 10. Good. Negative 10, and then?
And we have negative 8 too.
Good. Now what do?
We do good guys versus bad guys.
We sure do. Meow, meow. Like the football game tomorrow. It's gonna be good guys versus bad guys, isn't it? Isn't it, sir?
Yeah.
Pay attention. All right. So, who scores first?
Good guys, and it would be 32.
Okay.
Bad guys scores negative 10.
Bad guy scored 10.
10, and bad guys also score 8.
Good. So final score is 18 to 32.
Good guys win.
Good guys win. How many points do they win by?
They win by 14.
Yay! Positive 14. Good job, sir. Okay, 3 numbers multiplying. Who wants to do that? Come on down. Do you have a code name? What do you want to use? Anonymous? Anonymous. Okay. Anonymous number 2. Yeah, so speak into the mic. How do we do this?
So you would first do the double signs.
First do the double signs. Yes. All right. Go ahead, young lady. Anonymous 2.
So you'd first do the double signs.
Okay. There's no 2 signs in a row. Well, okay. Well, inside this parentheses is just a number. So we don't have something to do. Now, are we doing addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division?
Multiplication and division.
Right. So we just have to multiply them. Careful, because there's not 2 signs between the numbers. Okay? So, which ones do you want to do first?
Negative 2 times negative 6.
Okay, now remember the order doesn't really matter because it's multiplication. Oh, I don't really have to write that, do I? So what sign do we get?
Addition, or positive.
Right, positive. So we get 3 times 12, and we know what that is.
36.
36. All right. Make you do another one. Did we already do this one on top?
No.
Yes, we did.
No, the 100.
So number 11. All right, 252 divided by
9.
Yes. Did you do it already?
Yeah.
Okay, what'd you get?
I got 28.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Awesome. Give her a hand.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, do you have a code name? Save the Turtles code name. All right, all the way from the ocean, from the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Okay, 9 times y. What am I gonna write down?
9 times negative 35.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in parentheses, so that's gonna help me with my signs. 9 times negative 35. Let me shrink that a little bit. Okay, next.
Over negative 21.
Negative 21. Okay, good. Now what?
Now you have to multiply 9 and negative 35.
Which is, do you know?
And you write it down.
It's negative 315.
Whoa.
Yep. And then over negative 21. And anybody know what that makes?
Division to divide.
Right, but anybody know what that number is? 15. Good. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive because of the radar. All right, should we have you do another one? Yeah, the next one's easy.
Yeah.
Really easy. What was it? 15? Yes, 15. All right, go ahead.
You write 6 times negative 7,
Mm-hmm.
which equals negative 42.
Mm-hmm. Okay, moving on. Thank you. Oh. Negative 6st. Anybody? Yeah? You want to do it? This one? No? Alright, code name?
Save the plastic straws.
Save the straw.
He's using plastic bags.
Let's go, plastic. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, 6st. Alright, negative 6st. How do we do this, please?
So you first have to know the variables, which
Mhm.
are provided.
Mm-hmm.
What you would do is you multiply negative 6 by 3 because s equals 3.
Mm-hmm.
You do that.
Well, first I'm going to write it out.
Yeah, write
Then
it
what?
out. Then it would be times negative 8.
Good. Okay. So you did first these two?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So then you would get negative 18
Mm-hmm. Times negative
times
8.
negative 8 is
That's 80 plus 64, so that's 144.
yeah.
Yay! Well, it's a negative times a negative, so that is... Alright, so... I'm going to leave you to do 16, 17, and 18. I'm going to leave you to do this top part by yourself. Alright. I'm going to leave that for homework. There aren't any word problems, I don't think, on the test. Yeah, you have to finish it for homework, of course. But most of you are going to finish it in class. Yes? Yes. Okay, so negative 4. Oh, I made an error here because I changed the numbers, but I forgot to change them on the right side. So you could just cross those numbers out.
And change them?
No, yeah, if you want to change them. So let's draw our coordinate plane. Okay, where's quadrant 1? On the, anybody? Top right. That's where both are positive. Then where is 2? Top left. Very good. And then we keep going around. And that might help us. Okay, so for number 19, we're going to go negative, which is to the left, and then positive, which is up. So that brings us to?
2.
Quadrant 2. What about 20? Positive to the right, and then
1.
down. 4. Quadrant 1 is both positive. All right, what about 21? That's right. It's none of the quadrants. It's on
The Y.
It's on one of the axes. Which axis?
The Y.
The y-axis, because you go up and down. All right, number 22. We're going left and up, so that is also quadrant 2. 23 was both positive. That's quadrant 1. We had a lot of quadrant 2s. Yeah, I know. What happened to quadrant 3? It feels sad. It's a very sad quadrant. Anyways. Alrighty then. Moving on. Ready? Ready? Ready?
No.
Okay. -4, 1. Which way do we go? Up, down, left, or right for the 4? Left. Left and up. So here it is. You want to label it. A as in
Applesauce.
atmosphere. Applesauce. Okay. 26.
Right and then
To the right, and then we don't go up or down at all. So we're on the x-axis. That's B. Okay, 27. Left first, then down. Remember, run before you jump, or move left and right before you go up or down the ladder. I was going to write 27. That's not correct. I'm going to write letter C. All right, 28. We don't go left or right. We just go up. So that is E. And then 29 is H. To the right 3 and down 5. So that's way at the bottom. H. All right. Give me an A.
A.
Give me a C.
C.
Give me an E.
E.
Give me a B.
E.
Give me an H.
A.
What's that spell?
A-S-E-E.
Asabaha.
Ace chemicals.
Asabaha. All right. Goodbye, YouTube.
Bye.